Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Spyderco Tenacious here with me for a quick maintenance review. There's nothing wrong. We're just gonna try to clean it up and to see if we can perfect this guy a little bit. So we're gonna need a T6 for the handle screws. Actually, this is a T8, which is gonna be good for the pivot, which is keyed in, which is a great thing. And just unscrew this guy right over here. And then you get your T6 bit and undo this guy in the back and 2 over here and 3 right over here. So there's not really the need for you to keep the screws in the exact place, exact position, but you know, if you want, you can. So let's just do like that, and very nicely this is out. So you got 1, 2, 3 screws out, your liner, you've got 2 washers, blade, other 2 washers here, you've got stop pin, the pivot, the lanyard, and these, yeah, they can stay here. So we're gonna need this alcohol swab right over here, just to clean up some oil, some lint underneath, just clean the scale, clip. There's no need to remove the clip in this case. I mean, it's pretty clean, but you're gonna need another T6 if you want to. And let's also clean the inside over here, around the blade, like so. There's something inside here, so you know what, we can do something like that. Goes in and just clean this hole like so. Beautiful. So this is done. Okay, and done. Very, very nice. Let's clean these washers. Just a little bit. We can leave them like that, so they're gonna be easier to pick up after, because otherwise like this I don't want to risk to bend them, so you can just scoop them up with the tip of the blade. Just be careful. And this guy is like that. Very good. Let's just do the pivot. This is in, and the lanyard tube as well. All right, cool. So everything is cleaned up. Can start actually from this side here, because the pivot is nicely keyed in. All right, so it's gonna go inside only on this, on the presentation scale, and it's gonna have to be keyed in, you see, like this, which is down, so something like that. All right, so let's just keep it in mind, and let's use these 2 washers over here. Just a little bit of nano oil, 10 weight is gonna be all right. Just like so, just a little touch around the pivot. Okay, and you've got your blade in. Don't forget the stop pin in. Another just little touch of nano oil right there. And you got 1 washer in. Second washer in, just a little touch like this, and you're done. So now what we're gonna need, the lanyard tube goes right over here, and then this guy is not needed, and yeah, why not, let's just do a little touch over here and just a little bit on the detent ball, which in this one is making like a squeaky noise a little bit. So you see, you key in the pivot and then you rotate the handle in order for everything to get back nicely together, like so. Then let's start from here. So this is gonna be this screw over here. All right, T6, and you just, it takes just one, you know, to keep everything in place. Then what you can do is grab this, and which is going to be needed after, and let's just finish the handle screws like so. That is in, and this guy also is in, like so. Double check. Beautiful. And just let's get a T8 for the pivot screw, like so. Just, you see, I like this because the stick is coating basically the thread on the inside. This is a very, very weak thread locker, but it works. For this, it's all right. So just squeeze. This guy is gonna be over tight, of course, and we're gonna just undo a little bit this one. Let's see. Okay, see blade play. Oh yeah, there's blade play. So just let's see. Let's untighten this guy like that. See, that's too stiff. It has to be some sort of, yeah, like that. It's not gonna. So there's no play. There's a little bit of flex. So let's just squeeze this in just a tad nicer, and still. Okay. So this noise is it's gonna be there. It's the detent ball rubbing up against the tang, even with some oil, nano oil, not olive oil. It's gonna be there, but the action is pretty good. Blade is perfectly centered, and there you have it. This is how you maintain your Spyderco Tenacious. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.